Hey everybody, so today's video I'm talking about a first impression of a fragrance from the Bath & Body Works. Sounds weird, I know, they sell all kind of stuff, and this is the men's collection. It's called FreshWater. It's the box, 100 ml, 3.4 ounce. It's the side plain, the back plain with a little bit of ingredients on the bottom, and plain on this side, plain at the top. Batch codes on the bottom. $35.50 for this bottle. The batch code is 8201B2A2, and it is $35.50 for this 100 ml bottle. And I'll show you the inside of it. Inside is pretty simple, white. Inside is another white. Inside to peel it up, open. And it's the bottle presentation. Fresh water, really nice. I like the color, kind of matches this, really nice. I sprayed this at the place. It's really nice. I enjoy it so far. It smells a little bit different on the test strip paper that I had than on my skin. I'm gonna break that down right now. Put this to the side here. So, fresh water. Now, before I spray this one, let you know they do have other flankers to this fragrance here. This is the newest one. I don't know if the other ones are older or not. This is the newest version they have of it. They do have Ocean Cologne, #1. Fresh water like this, #2. #3 is Newer Cologne. #4 is Tiki Wood. And #5 is Bourbon. And you can pick these up at bathandbodyworks.com. So www.bathandbodyworks.com, or you can go to your local Bath & Body Works and try them out too. They do have, you can try it out and spray it. So it's nice. They have a deal now where you use a deal for mix and match. So you can pretty much buy 3, get 2 for free. Or you can buy 2, get 1 for free. It's up to you. I'm not sure if you're going to like them more or not, but I tried them out, except for Tiki Wood, and they didn't have that one there. But they have a display, but they don't have it there to smell. So it smells different on my skin. It's very, very light on my skin. Not on my skin, but on the paper, it tests really lightly. But when I spray it on my skin, it smells a lot better on my skin. So when I spray it on my skin, really nice. For this right here, there's another fragrance that smells very similar to this. And on my skin, I'm going to say is that Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense. And I like that fragrance a lot. I don't have that fragrance. I got a sample of it at Sephora a couple months ago. I did a review on it. And yes, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Eau Intense for men. It smells like it smells on my skin. Not sure if this is going to last or project. I only wear it for about 2 hours. I can still smell it. But, that's it. I got to test it out some more. This is just the first impression of Fresh Water by Bath & Body Works, the men's collection. This is $34.50. Some of them are $35.50 and $34.50. It all depends. Each box is different price, but it's around the same price, $34, $35.50. So it's around there. They have a good deal going for it right now if you want to pick it up or go there and try it out. So far I do like this fragrance. It reminds me of Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue Intense. More of like a spring type of vibe. But I'm going to wear it some more and see how it is. Still kind of hot here in New Jersey, in South Jersey. So this is what I think about this fragrance. If you guys want a full review, please leave a comment below. Let me know. If you tried any of these from Bath & Body Works or go there for your fragrances, please leave a comment below. They do have scented water. They have the deodorant, and they do have the soap, and they have like the body lotion and stuff. So it's pretty cool. This is my first time ever seeing fragrances there. So I'm just trying this out. Plus, they had a good deal for under 30 something when my mom bought 2 other things there. Like a buy 2, get 1. So wasn't a bad deal. I'm going to have more about this coming up soon. Hope everybody's having a great day. Thanks for watching my fragrance video. If you like men's fragrances, unboxes, and free giveaways, all I have to do is click the subscribe button in the corner right here. Let me know you like fragrances with a comment below, and hit the like button. If you like these type of videos, hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload new fragrance videos. Until my next video, peace everybody.